So we are live at Gilead. This is our furniture assembly day, and we've had such a crew show up, and here's two more coming. Thanks, guys. So we got everybody from Kevin working on it by himself so far. You guys want to pitch in with help Kevin? I don't know what he needs help with, but he's working hard and he's got chaos going. So, and we got about, I don't know, maybe 15 people showed up. Here's Steve and Jim working on another file cabinet. Nice wave, thank you. Got a room full of people assembling how many chairs? 31 chairs. Thank you, guys. You are on Facebook Live. Yes, yes. This is your moment of fame, Dale. Yeah, say hi to the folks. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. And we got a whole bunch of people down here working on credenzas. So credenzas are important. So we got food too. Nobody's eaten the food yet. Everybody's working so hard that they just haven't taken time to eat yet. Pizza smells good, but anyway, here's credenza 1. Look at you guys.
Oh God,
Working so Thank you, guys. And down here we have credenza 2, and out in the hall is some more folks. So wave to the folks, guys. So we are working hard and getting things done. So I'm just grateful for these people helping out, volunteering, and that's how this whole episode has been from start to finish. Good people, God's grace, God's help, and we're just so grateful. So we are getting things done, and we will be in the new office within a couple weeks. We have to be flexible with that still. But God's being so good and meeting our needs every step of the way. So God bless you. We'll keep you posted. Bye-bye.